Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought today I would try out some new products and let you guys know what my thoughts are on them. So if you wanna stay tuned and keep on watching this video to see what the look is, then yeah. Okay, so basically I'm just starting off with my foundation and concealer and powder applied, and I recently just got sent this product from Guize Face FX, and it's this beautiful contour palette, and it comes with a little guide that gives you a ton of tips and tricks. For example, on how to apply these products, or if you don't know where to place them. This booklet is super helpful. I read through it and honestly I learned new things from it as well. So feel free to pause the video at any moment if you want to take a look and peek at it. Oh, and I should also mention that I got sent the Moonlight palette. They also have two other palettes if you have darker skin tones. So this is what the palette looks like. There's more information on the back. And so yeah, you basically have a contour shade, a bronzer, a matte highlight, and this beautiful shimmery highlight. So first I'm starting off with the bronzer, and I'm just bronzing my face. So I'm applying it to my temples, the back of my cheekbones, along my jawline, just to create some more warmth to my face. Next, I'm just blending everything out, and guys, look at this. It blends out so easy. Honestly, no effort is required. Now, next I'm just going in with the contour shade, and I'm just focusing that more towards the back of my cheekbones and towards my temples to create a little bit more definition. Now I'm going in with the matte highlight shade just to clean everything up and to make our contour look nice, clean, and sharp. Next, I'm taking this golden, beautiful shimmery highlight, and I'm just applying it to the tops of my cheekbones. Oh my god, look how amazing it is. A little bit on my eyebrows, my temples, and then just highlighting the center of my face. Now I'm dipping into the Anastasia Norvina palette, and I'm basically going in with the light colored shade called Face and just applying it to highlight my brow bone and inner corner. Next, I'm dipping into this orangey shade called Eccentric, and I'm just applying it as a transition shade. Now I'm dipping my finger into the shade called Dazzling, and I'm just applying that kind of to act as a base all over our eyelids. And guys, this color is so beautiful. I love it. Next, I'm taking the shade called Dreamer, and I'm just applying that to my inner corner for a bit of a pop. Now I'm taking the shade called Soul, which is this blue, beautiful shade, and I'm just applying it to my outer corner and to my crease, slowly building everything up. And I find if you take small amounts of the color, you get a much better payoff that way. Next, I'm just also taking the shade called Passion, and I'm just applying it again to my outer corner and into my crease to create a little bit more warmth. Now I'm just taking those two darker shades and applying them to my lower lash line. Now next, I'm taking the shade called Rose Gold, and I'm just applying it from my inner corner to the middle of my eyelid just to create a bit more of a pop, and I didn't want the look to be so dark. So now I'm just blending everything out so we have a nice smoky and seamless finish. Now I'm taking my finger and I'm applying the purple iridescent shade called Celestial again to my eyelid, and I thought this would tie the look in more, and I definitely loved how it turned out. So I just cleaned up my brow bone, applied mascara, and now I'm lining my lips using the MAC lip liner in Strip Down. And I'm filling my lips in with MAC's lipstick in the shade Blankety. Now to top everything off, I'm just applying Anastasia's lip gloss in Venus to kind of tie in the eyes and to lighten the lips as well. And as I always do, I'm setting my face using the Glam Glow Glow Setter setting spray. And yeah, guys, that is the final look. Definitely let me know what you thought of it down below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another video from me. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!